Hi, my name is Matt and I'm a dealer with EcoSpa. Today I'm going to show you the differences between our spas and others that look similar. Now what we've done is actually taken our competitor's spa and put it right next to ours so we can get a true side-by-side comparison. There are a lot of differences right from the top, so let's get to it. One of the big differences between the EcoSpa and others being sold is the cover system we utilize. EcoSpa actually invented. That's right, we invented the hard cover in 2006. And as much as others have tried to imitate it, they still haven't gotten it right. Ours is a two-piece cover that interlocks in the middle and seals down with our Power Seal system. Now compare our cover to the competition's cover. These spas were first sold in 2013. The cover has no power seals, it's designed to open and close kind of like an accordion, and really depends on this gasket here to seal it tight, something that's almost impossible to do with such a lightweight cover. You'll notice that it's a lot lighter than the EcoSpa and made of thinner material. In fact, if you close it up and pour some water over the seal, you can actually hear the water leaking in. If it can't keep the water out, how can it hold the heat in? They're also using a styrofoam bead for insulation. You can actually hear it shifting as you move it. Now when you look at the cover upside down, you'll notice these structural cones here, which are designed to keep the two sides of the cover from sandwiching in on each other. Because of the thinness of the material, they have to use 16 structural cones compared to EcoSpa's 6. And in a huge oversight, unlike the EcoSpa, they are not insulated or sealed using friction welds. So what happens is the heat rises through here, goes right to the other edge of the spa, and dissipates through the top. Now just to illustrate that point, if I take this flashlight here and shine it into the cone, I can actually see the light coming through the cover. That's your heat, folks, being lost into the outside air. Now let's take a look at the actual dimensions of the spa itself. First of all, their spa is only 27.5 inches tall. That's not much. If two average-sized people get into the spa, you're gonna see water spilled out onto the ground. Now let's take a look at their jets. They are actually larger than what the spa's mold was designed for, so they stick out from the surface. EcoSpa's molds are designed and manufactured in-house. We simply don't have to try and put ill-fitting jets into outdated molds. Unlike EcoSpa's, these jets aren't flush with the spa's wall, so whether they're operating or not, you're gonna feel those jets pressing into your back. Ouch. Our custom designed molds mean better fitting jets, double-walled flooring, and are customized to mount to the equipment we use. It's the way it's supposed to be done. Now another thing that clearly separates EcoSpas from the competition has to do with suction intake. They only have one suction intake, which is half of what you'll find with EcoSpa's 2 4-inch intakes, which means less resistance to the pump, better water flow, more pressure from the jets, quieter operation, and ultimately delivers more water with a smaller amount of energy. Having adequate filtration is especially important in a smaller spa because the body-to-water ratio is going to be a lot higher. We all want clean water in our spas, and a small filter like this is just not going to be up to the task. EcoSpas have almost 4 times more filtration with 70 square feet of surface area. You get nice, clean water. What about smart controls? Well, this unit has very basic controls for temperature. While EcoSpa's Eco Mode program lets you set time of day, the duration, and lets you program the heater to stay off when not in use for further day-to-day saving. So let's talk about the overall construction of this spa. When you step into it, you're going to immediately notice it has a lot of give. And the reason why it's so bouncy like this is because there's no insulation underneath my feet. That means that the spa is less rigid and, that's right, more costly to run. EcoSpa makes their floors double wall insulated, more efficient, and more durable. So let's talk about what makes Eco Spas truly different. As you can see, we have our spa up on the rack and we've taken the panels off. Now what we're looking at here is the insulation. This is EcoBat R30 insulation, which is mold and mildew resistant and is completely removable for access to the pump and pipes. The competition, they use much less insulation with a lower R factor, making it less efficient. Now, let's take a walk around the Eco Spa to show you some of the things that make our spas better designed and better engineered. We use all high quality materials, and as you can see, everything is totally accessible for maintenance. Another efficiency factor that Eco Spas considers is the plumbing placement. All of our pipes lay on insulation blocks, keeping all the pipes from touching the spa's exterior. You will also notice that our jets are fed individually with 3/4 inch piping as opposed to being daisy chained together like other spas. What we're looking at here is the backside of the actual jets. Yes, these are CMP Pro-Lock jets, which are virtually leak-proof. A vast improvement over our competitors' antiquated screw-in jets that utilize compression nuts. We have an air line over here fed by a manifold, and here you have the optional lighting system which lights the jets via tubing, meaning the lights are never in contact with the water. Eco Spas are designed to be efficient, cost-effective, and durable with one of the best warranties in the business. Just compare our 3-year labor and across-the-board parts warranty with the competition's 3-year on some parts and only 1 year of labor. That means if you have a problem with your spa, you are going to have to pay to fix it. It's obvious, we back our spas so completely because we build them from the ground up to make certain you'll be enjoying your spa for years to come. It's Eco Spa, as close to perfect as a spa can get.